Alright guys, so today what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how to find the leak in your tire and how to plug it if you have a nail in your tire. First thing you want to do is get your tire in a position where you can see the whole tread. If you can lift it up on a jack stand or on a jack, that's fine. Or if you have a buddy in the car that can move the car forward and backwards for you. But the trick that you're going to want to use is get some soapy water and just spray it all over your tire. Now this works better if your tire is inflated at its desired PSI. And what you want to look for is bubbles that start to appear. And you're going to want to look everywhere, on the tread, on the seal with the rim and the tire, even the valve stem leaks sometimes. But in this particular video, it's actually a nail that's on the tread. So I already marked it before with this blue tape, but just to show you guys for demonstration how the soapy water works. So let's get a better look. Alright, as you can see it bubbling up right there. See that steadiness that it has. So there's something that's punctured the tire. It could be a nail, it could be a staple. Typically you see you get these when you're driving around a lot of construction areas, and so we're going to show you how to fix that. So I got the tire off, makes it easier for me just to show you. Leaking right here. And if you got some cutters like these, will be the most helpful tool you'll have to get a nail or staple out. And so if you got the tip out like so, you can grab it and then yank it out. But before you yank out the whole thing, you're going to want to be prepared. Okay, when I mean prepared, you're going to want to get your plug ready, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I just bought this kit from Walmart. Okay, comes with this tool right here. That's what you're going to use to open up the hole a little bit more. When you take that staple and that nail out, this is the tool that you're going to put the plug in and then into the tire. This rubber cement thing basically just helps to seal it up. And these are your plugs. Okay, and you're going to grab one of these. You're going to have to put it through here. I will say it was a little tough if you're not used to doing this, but with some practice you get a little bit better. Just got to finagle it in there. Once you get it here, you can pull it out like that. Get about midway. I like to just have them hold hands. And this rubber cement, let's take a look at that. So we got to open it up. Okay, got that. Put a little bit on here. A little crude, I know, but this is going to help us here along the way. Okay. So now we're going to grab our supplies. Go head over back here to the tire. Remove the object. In this case, was just some sort of foreign object. Not quite sure what that is, but obviously it's leaking right there. So we're going to want to insert this guy. Right where the hole is. The smaller the object that's in there, the tougher it's going to be. And it can feel like you're making a hole in the tire, and that's actually what you're doing. You're making it bigger. But that's so that the plug can fit. and down on it. Now that you got that, get ready with this guy. Pull it out, insert, does take quite a bit of pressure to put it in sometimes. All right. So once you got your plug in, that's what it's going to look like. Now it doesn't look too nice. If you get a razor blade, you just slice off the excess, or you can use these cutters like so. This will wear down as you drive the car, so don't worry, okay? Now we're going to add a little bit more air into it, and then we're going to check and see if it's leaking still. Alright, so I had the compressor here hooked up to the tire, I filled it up. Now, go back here, you're going to want to get the soapy water again. Spray it on there generously. Let's take a look. Don't see it bubbling up, so that is a job well done. So take that off, and all we got to do is put the tire right back on the car, tighten it up to the specific torque specs, and you're all set. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and hope you'll be back next time for the next videos.